Howdy guys, we are here with my friend Jose in Florida, here in Miami, Florida. We're gonna be talking about another car that he has and possibly a third. Well, he has tons of cars, but we're just doing the nice ones, right? The ones that everyone would be wowed for. You have something special to show the viewers this week?
Today we got this week we got a 1962 Renult.
Yeah.
Actually, the body of a Renult mixed with a Volkswagen. Body, pan, motor, suspension, wheels, gas tank, the Ragtop on it. Everything is from a Volkswagen, but the actual body of the car is a 1962 Renult. Yes.
Right. So I'm kind of punishing the viewers right now.
Yeah.
I want them to be like visualizing what you're saying.
Yeah, got you. Yeah.
Can you guys picture it? Like, do you want to see it now? All right, you think we should show them?
Yeah, let's go
All
ahead.
right, let's go ahead and show them. All
There
right.
you
Yo, check this out, guys. Check this out. This baby right here is what we call in Jamaica classic. And we have a classic car club. Big up Jamaican Classic Car Club. They don't know, we're repping for cars all over and car enthusiasts and car owners. So I'm not gonna jump the gun. Jose, come on in.
Okay.
It's your baby. Tell us about it. Tell us
All
the
right.
year. Just tell us all about it. Want to
Okay.
know everything about
All
it.
right, cool. Again, the Renult 1962.
Yeah.
Pretty much start through the front and we'll work our stuff around.
All right.
But pretty
Sounds
much
good.
here in the front we have the gas tank from a Volkswagen.
Right.
What he did, the interior, the guy that built it, Mike, he pretty much made it all clean in there.
Right.
Gel battery, and then from there we jump into the interior that he did all, guess what, to his liking. And it's a 4-door.
So peeps, all who was expecting like an engine up here, this is Herbie's cousin. You watch a movie, Herbie? Yeah, this is Herbie's cousin. So it's a mid-engine. It's what they call a mid-engine. It's in the back of the car.
Yeah.
Right. So we used to with 20 valve with Easy and with Jay-Z up front. This one, the gas tank and the battery up front. It's like storage. Like this is a trunk in the front.
Yep.
Yo, the car nice, peeps. Check it out. For real though. All right, Jose.
Another good feature that I'm glad he did on this car was he did the Ragtop from a Volkswagen as well.
Yeah.
I'll show you how this opens.
You wanna pop it?
Yeah.
Yeah, be gentle. Yo. Peeps. Check it out. Yeah, this is all the AC we need right here.
That's the AC right there.
And yo, Florida's weather is similar to Jamaica, so we have the sunshine here, and then right down the road we call it liquid sunshine.
Yeah, there you go. That's it. Yeah, man. So
yo, peeps, like seriously, check it out. Like the interior on this is so nice, so freaking nice. I love this, yo.
Yeah.
It's actually give me an idea.
He really made it,
It's actually give me an
that top
idea.
like that, how it came out with the bounce.
Yo.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. Yeah.
Even the mats, like you can see, it's custom.
Yeah.
The custom. This is kind of like a pedal box thing. Yo, this is nice. It's just simple and nice. Check out the wheel. Momo.
Yeah.
Oh, the ignition has to be on, right?
Actually, it's not.
For the horn? All right. We don't honk in Florida. Yo, I love it. So it's like vintage or classic with few little modern touches, but I like it. Yo, check out the seat. It's like a small bucket. Yo, this is nice. All right, so yo, Jose, what I like about the car is that you didn't try to hide the natural beauty of it, like the little aging spots.
Yeah.
it looks natural and it adds to the car to like remind you that yo, this is the little wear and tear. This is vintage.
It's all there.
Yeah. Respect your elders,
Yeah,
you know.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yo, it's Renult look nice. Check it out, peeps. Yeah, bring it back down so you guys can see it. So we are on the back here.
So pretty much now I'm going to show you the engine on this. It's an 1800 built by him as well, you know, that hasn't been broken in yet, but pretty much 1800 Volkswagen motor, dual carbs, you know, gadgets added to it, but yeah, man, you know, the motor was built by him. You know, his when he had it. But
let me show them.
Drives very well. Awesome, yeah.
This is nice, yo. For real. Jose, like, how often do you drive this?
I'll drive it since when I bought it at first, you know, started, you know, I used it pretty much, but now I'm kind of like, you know, conserving it. But on the weekends, you know, I pretty much go to, you know, events and stuff with it. Yeah. So, as you know, since I've owned it, it's probably going to be like 2 months I've had it. So I pretty much, you know, been trying to every weekend use it, you know, even though I got other stuff, but yeah, man, I'm actually enjoying this right now. It's like a new toy, you know. So yeah, I mean the car, you know, really nice, and I'm really happy the way it handles, the way, I mean everything, the way it drives and everything, all is really nice, you know. So yeah, it's a nice car. I'm glad I bought it, you know. The guy did an awesome job, you know, on the car. Yeah. Real
nice.
Yeah.
I think it's a real classic, yo. Like the previous owner, shout out to him.
Yeah. And another thing that, you know, also I like about it is not per se a common car, you know, and I'm not trying, you know, to say, you know, or be different, but the car actually is not a common car that you can go and find one like that.
Right.
So when he, you know, I heard he was selling it, it's like, oh man, you selling that car? So he's like, yeah, I'm gonna sell it, you know. And like, well, good luck, man. So then come Monday, like I told my wife, I gotta buy this car, you know, this car is different. And I, you know, me, I like cars, but this is not, you know, an ordinary car, like a Volkswagen that, you know, I have already. So I was like, you know what, man, I gotta jump on this. So pretty much I called a guy and I told him, hey, if we talk about price, and you know, I could, you know, meet you there, I'll go ahead and you know, and I'll buy it from you. So there, you know, sure enough, thank God also, I was able to get that because thanks to him, you know, and my wife, of course, and my family. But yeah, I was glad to be able to, you know, buy that from him. Yeah, very nice car, you know.
Really nice.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah.
This is really nice. Yo, check out the engine, peeps. Dual Weber.
All built. Everything.
Dual Weber.
On it, Weber. Everything was, I mean, all built.
So these are the carburetors, we call it back home.
Yeah.
Two of them, so the fire.
Yeah.
Nice. Let me give you guys a walk around of it. Alright, let's talk about the wheels or the suspension. Okay. Like, are you running bags on this baby?
No, this pretty much is static, and the wheels on it, they're 17-inch wheels, smoothies, and also that there is wheels from a Volkswagen, Wi-Fi, the lug pattern on it.
Is it staggered?
It's staggered, yeah.
So it's 17.
17.
What size in the rear?
17, I'm gonna say 17 by 8 in the back.
Right.
And then 17 by 5 in the front.
Right, because it's stuck, so
exactly,
it's still very wide. It's still very wide for this car.
And pretty much a static drop, but you know, the suspension all from a Volkswagen with the plates and all that, you know, to drop it the correct way.
Right. So you did it to get it.
Yeah.
So it's like springs. Did you like?
Yeah, it's done to, you know, with the correct you know, all the requirement for it to be lowered to where, you know.
So it's not like coilovers. It's the original spring cut.
The original, exactly.
People cut as it upon.
No. This is the exactly. So
cut springs.
Yeah, no. This is the correct, you know.
Yeah.
As far as for this car.
But they did it professionally.
Yeah. The guy did it. Yeah.
So it rides. How does it ride? Like, hard or?
I mean, it doesn't. I mean, as far as, you know, you gotta understand, you're riding, you know, a low profile tire. but the car actually, for the way it sits, it drives pretty good.
Pretty comfy.
I sit my wife and my little one. We go to shows and stuff.
Yeah.
The car doesn't scrape at the bottom. Being that it's so low, you would think that, oh man, that car, but no, it doesn't. So pretty much,
right.
It drives good. For being a lower car, I gotta give it some. Like yeah, it's not bad.
Yo, it have a vibe though, peeps. Like, yo, just on the beach of Miami or anywhere where the beach is, and you see this cruising past on a Sunday evening or so. Really good. Get some footage from the front here. It's real nice. It's just sleek, like small and sleek.
That tag pretty much was Renult swagging. That's what Renult.
Let me catch that.
Looking
so yo, it's abbreviated, but it means Renult swagging.
Yeah, that's what it meant. Yeah,
I mean,
swag.
it's all about him the cool. So these are the little touches I like, peeps. Like you can see the little wear and tear here, and they haven't repaired it on purpose. Yeah, boss are running marine battery too.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Made in France. Yup. So I see you got like the undercoat or the Linux.
The inside of the coat there, you did all that.
Nice,
and then,
rough.
Kept all the plates, those original plates from it. But yeah, he did all the undercoat what he was there to
Yeah, so he taped them off. It's nice. All right, what else you want to tell us about it, or that pretty much sums it up?
As far as the only other thing I did, as owning the car, what I did was the music. Recently, but I didn't want to, I didn't want to ruin the inside showing with any speakers. Or anything that was gonna change the inside. I wanted to look the factory. Well,
let me see if I can show them.
And I just wanted to kind of keep it. So then, my friend here in Miami
through their peeps
did the work on it.
He got the speakers.
Yeah. So
and it plays pretty well.
Underneath, he put the subs are under the seat.
Under the seat.
Under the seat, the subs are under the seat. And the amplifier in back of the back seat there.
Right.
And then I'm running with a Bluetooth, so I don't want to have a radio. It's
right.
just off the Bluetooth, and that's pretty much it. So you don't see nothing. Yeah. So.
Nice. So you hooked it up to the sub. The Bluetooth is to the sub. Everything is hooked up.
Exactly. Yep. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So that's
Yep.
that pretty much it, and then But besides that, man, I'm enjoying the car. And it's really nice. I'm glad I bought the car.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So yo, peeps, just finished interview with Jose again about the Renult. Yo, it's a pretty nice car. To be honest, it's the first time I'm vlogging something like this, and it's actually a pleasure. Really appreciate him allowing me to come down here and telling me about his babies, the cars, right? So yo, Jose, it was a real pleasure, man.
Likewise.
Doing the vlog with you, and I really enjoyed every moment of it. You telling me about it, and I can relate to you having this car and all that you've been through. And shout out to the previous owner who you got it from, who really took care of it and made the platform easy for you, where you can just build on it.
Yeah, Mike, honestly, awesome car, and also, a pleasure meeting you, and give a shout to Tezzaboy Productions.
Yep, do the right thing, peeps.
Awesome,
do the right thing.
Awesome guy, and I'm a pleasure to meet you. But
Likewise.
yeah, I'm glad you were out today, and we're able to go ahead and film and take the video on my Renult here.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do it some justice. So anytime you want to get a nice angle of it, you can go online and check it out.
There you go. That'll be great. Peeps, I appreciate
Tezzaboy Productions. Check it out on YouTube. Tezzaboy on IG. Big up. What we say in Jamaica? One love, no problem, man.
There you go, man. Awesome.
Out.
Awesome.